When it comes to window replacements in Houston, the importance of professional installation cannot be overstated. Windows are not just an aesthetic feature, they play a critical role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. While DIY window replacement projects may seem like a cost-effective option, opting for professional installation ensures that the job is done right, providing long-lasting benefits. Here's why professional installation is crucial when replacing your windows in Houston. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of expertise and experience to the job, making them the best choice for ensuring your window replacement is successful. Whether it's measuring windows accurately, removing old frames, or properly sealing and insulating the new windows, professionals know the best practices and techniques to get the job done right. With their extensive knowledge, they can avoid common mistakes that DIYers might make, such as improper measurements or incorrect installation that can lead to further issues down the line. Houston's hot and humid climate, along with its occasional strong storms, requires precise installation to ensure windows are durable and properly sealed. A professional window installer will know exactly how to install windows to withstand Houston's weather conditions and maintain your home's comfort year-round. Proper sealing for energy efficiency. One of the most important benefits of professional window installation is the proper sealing of your windows. Poor installation can leave gaps or spaces between the window frame and the wall, allowing air to leak in and out. This compromises the energy efficiency of your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature and increasing your heating and cooling costs. In Houston, where summers can be sweltering and winters are relatively mild but still chilly, maintaining energy efficiency is vital. Professional installers use high-quality sealants and ensure that each window is properly sealed to prevent drafts and reduce energy loss. Properly installed windows contribute to lower energy bills by keeping your home cool during the summer and warm during the winter, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Long-term durability and protection. Windows are a long-term investment, and proper installation is key to their longevity. When windows are installed by professionals, they're secured correctly, which helps them stand the test of time. An improperly installed window, however, may suffer from shifting, warping, or loosening over time, leading to costly repairs or even the need for replacement much sooner than expected. Given Houston's climate, with its heat, humidity, and occasional hurricanes, ensuring your windows are installed correctly is essential for the durability and structural integrity of your home. Professionals will install windows in a way that ensures they stay secure and functional, even during extreme weather conditions. Improved safety and security. Windows are not just an entryway to the outside world. They're also one of the primary sources of security for your home. Poorly installed windows can pose safety risks, from weak frames that make them more prone to break-ins to improperly functioning locks that don't secure the window properly. Professional window installation ensures that windows are both secure and safe to operate. In Houston, where security is a priority for homeowners, professional installers will ensure that your windows are not only energy efficient but also secure, providing peace of mind. Whether it's a double lock system, shatter-resistant glass, or extra reinforcements, a professional installation guarantees your windows are properly equipped to protect your family. Compliance with local building code. Houston, like any other city, has specific building codes and regulations that must be adhered to when installing windows. Professionals are familiar with these codes and will ensure that the installation meets all local requirements. DIY installations, on the other hand, may overlook important regulations, which could lead to fines or even the need to redo the installation. Professional window installers in Houston are well versed in these codes and work to ensure that your window installation is fully compliant, saving you the trouble of dealing with potential issues down the road. By hiring professionals, you ensure your home is up to code and avoid costly repairs or legal complications later. Time saving and convenience. Replacing windows can be a time-consuming project, especially if you're trying to do it yourself. Measuring, purchasing the right windows, removing old ones, and properly installing new windows requires a great deal of time and effort. For homeowners with busy schedules or limited experience, the process can become overwhelming. By hiring a professional installer, you can save time and avoid the stress of doing the job yourself. Professionals will handle all aspects of the installation quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the job is completed to the highest standard. This means you can get back to enjoying your home sooner, without the hassle of a lengthy DIY project. Warranty and insurance protection. Another key reason to opt for professional installation is the added warranty and insurance protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties, but these warranties are often voided if the windows are not installed by a professional. Additionally, professional installers typically provide their own warranties on the labor they perform, giving you added peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Moreover, if something were to happen during the installation process, professional installers carry insurance to protect both you and their team from potential damage or injury. This type of protection is not available with DIY installations, which can expose you to unnecessary risks. Conclusion. While DIY window replacement may seem appealing, professional installation is crucial for ensuring the long-term durability, energy efficiency, and security of your windows. By choosing experienced installers in Houston, you're investing in the quality of your home, ensuring that your windows are properly sealed, secure, and built to last in Houston's unique climate. So, if you're considering replacing your windows, it's worth the investment to hire a professional for the job. Your home, and your wallet, will thank you in the long run.